are known to build really huge nests, which can weigh up to 2 tons. Sea eagles have very skinny legs which help them to prevent injuries caused by their prey and rough underside. They are not only the largest vultures, but also the biggest bird of prey in the world. They can weigh up to 15 kilograms and have an impressive 3.2 meters wingspan. Check out his wingspan, everyone! Wow! Vultures are generally scavengers. Low above you, am I right? This is because, unlike other birds of prey, owls have very soft edges at the tip of their feathers, so they sound free. So the owls have to be extremely silent. Pretty interesting, right? By the way, Belang is back there. Belang is 9 years old this year. How old do you think it happened to be one of them? He was found weak and dehydrated along Orchard Road in Singapore. We rescued him and nursed him back to good health. Now, don't you think he looks very healthy and happy? I have a
Is
three.
originally an
Okay, never mind. How about you?